Hey guys, Christina Maniscalco here, and I wanted to share with you why and how it's really easy to use, or why you want to use text replacement on your phone. So I have an iPhone, check Android, I'm sure they have the same features. But what you want to do is just go to the settings and then go to, let me get out of here really quick so I could show you. So then go to general and then go to keyboard and then text replacement. Now, this is really cool when you want to do a bunch of follow-ups at the same time or get them all done really quickly. So what you want to do is maybe there's a phrase or your website link or something that you want to share with somebody, and you share it quite often. So let's just say it's a website link. So let's just do thiskeep.com. I mean, I know that's not the link, but we're just gonna play along, okay? All right, so then you're gonna create your shortcut. So let's just put WS, website. All right, and then you're gonna hit save, and now you see it's on there. Okay, so now let's try a text. So let's say you wanna send somebody your website link. You can go in, and you could do this anywhere, okay? You could put this in an email, you could put it on Facebook, whatever you want. So now you're gonna send it to somebody. So we'll just send it to my husband. He doesn't care. And then make sure there's no bad words on there. And then you're gonna put in WS. See that? It auto-populates and you just click it and it comes right up. So this is really cool if you want to, let's say you're doing a lot of follow-up. So look at this. So TY1. So let's try that one. So TY1, so that's thank you, and then the number 1. Now, I already have that one planned, so let's see what it says. Thank you so much for your order. I so appreciate you. Did you get everything on your wish list? And then I would even XOXO, and then put my name. So you could put that into that, well, not Christian, but you get the point. So you could even save that in your text replacement as well. So let's say, what's the other one I have? Select. I think I did, go back. Oh, we did delivery. Okay, so let's do hashtag. You could just do DEL. There you go. Oh my gosh, I just got notification that your order is being delivered today. So exciting. Let me know when it arrives. And so you could do anything you want with this text replacement. It's really cool. It is very amazing at saving time. And I really hope you guys start using this amazing feature that is already built into your phone if you have an iPhone. I'm sure Android has it too. But just let me know if you guys have any questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.